Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. By the title itself, you guys know that I am here to review another product, and this product is from Pond's. And I was really excited to receive this product, and here I am finally making a review on it. So this is what the package that I got looks like. So if you guys are interested in watching, let's get into it. Before we move any further, you guys make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. I create amazing content on here on YouTube and Instagram as well. So make sure to follow me on all my social media links. So this is the beautiful range that you see over here. So these are Pond's new mineral clay range, and this is what the products look like. And I'm just going to slowly pick out all of these and show you what exactly they look like. So this is how the Pond's new clay range looks like. So these two are the facial foams, and these are the detox clay mask. So I'm going to put the instant brightening one on one side and this anti-pollution one on this side, paired up now together. Black one is anti-pollution plus purity. This anti-pollution one promises to clean out all the dirt and the oil that we get along. If you want to know how the texture of this foam wash and the texture of the clay mask is, then please keep on watching.
We have the facial foams here. 40 gram of product costs rupees 110. For 90 grams you have to pay 210. Anti-pollution really helps in removing those micro dust and particles from your face. Now we have the instant brightness. It is really amazing if you get the grayish look after a long day. Easy to work in and forms great lather. After using the facial foams, I'm headed towards multi-masking. And firstly I'm using this anti-pollution one. And oh my god, you guys, look at its texture and the way it is so covering. I really am enjoying these clay masks. The quantity of these are also very much amazing. For 10 grams you have to pay 30 rupees, which is quite promising and nice. The mask is really effective and you can just put it on your face, let it sit and relax as you play some nice music. I love to use this brightness clay mask if I'm looking forward to an event. It really works amazingly for really giving out that instant glow. You can let it sit on your face for 15 to 20 minutes as it dries, and you can just take it off. These work the best when you team them up. Use the anti-pollution facial foam with the anti-pollution clay mask. The instant brightening facial foam with the instant brightening clay mask once a week.
The whole range is something that you must try if you are someone who has combination to very oily skin type, and this will work wonders for you. Yay! And the review ends here, you guys, because I totally recommend you guys to get this. Please don't forget to comment your reviews and your experience about this product in the comment section below. I will also link few of the website where you can get these. So don't forget to check the description as well. Hit like if you like this review, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Lots of love, you guys. Have fun, be safe, and please don't go out until and unless it's really necessary. So lots of love, you guys. Bye bye.